Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and we're going to visit Frenchmen Street here in New Orleans during the daytime. I do have a Frenchman nighttime video. It's a lot more music, a lot more noise, a lot more partying, but it's not quite Bourbon Street, and that's a good thing. Some people like to compare Bourbon Street to Frenchmen Street, but I really don't think there's much of a comparison. Bourbon Street is very touristy, Frenchmen Street is very local, although that might be changing. Bourbon Street has the fall-down drunkards. In Frenchmen Street, not so much. We like to party here on Frenchmen Street, but not like they do on Bourbon Street. We're not that sloppy. For the most part, Bourbon Street has, well, mediocre bands, whereas Frenchmen Street has really, really good bands. If you're coming to NOLA for the music, this is a must visit. Just so you can get your bearings, we just left the French Market, which is a whole nother video. We're going up Barrack Street, we're crossing Esplanade Avenue, and we're crossing Esplanade to go to Frenchmen Street, which is where we are right here. By the way, speaking of really good music, we're going to visit a music store at the end of this video. It's one of the best music stores I've ever been in, and if you love vinyl or any kind of music, including musical instruments, you gotta check out this store. It's coming up at the end. Just a reminder, this is Cray Cray the Crawfish from Louisiana. He shows up somewhere in all my New Orleans videos, so please help me find him. Be the first to spot Cray Cray in this video and leave a comment below with the timestamp you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video on this channel. No shortage of crazy paint at this pizza place. Frenchmen Street is pretty much on the fringe of the French Quarter. We technically left it when we crossed Esplanade Avenue, but it's right on the border here. And I gotta tell you, coming from New York, if Greenwich Village had a baby with the French Quarter, it would give birth to Frenchmen Street. And I say that because on Frenchmen Street, you'll find the bohemian / musical / hipster / educated / chillin' / artsy-fartsy, just plain cool crowd. And I can't stress enough, you really have to check out that Frenchmen Street evening video that I have on this channel. It's a completely different scene. It's much more crowded, much more of a party atmosphere, but I said it's more of a controlled party atmosphere. The bands are really cool. During the day, you're going to hear music coming out of all these clubs on Frenchmen Street. But they're pretty much the B bands. They're really good. They're much better than the bands on Bourbon Street. But at night, they're really, really good jazz bands come out here, and I really suggest you check out that video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. When you do, you're automatically enrolled in the next $50 gift card giveaway here on the New York channel. Another thing I appreciate about Frenchmen Street is there's a lot of shopping here, but it's not the usual souvenir shopping you find in the French Quarter. Here you'll find music shops, book shops, poster shops, art shops, some galleries, a little bit of everything, but I don't think I've seen one souvenir shop as I walk the entire length so far. And as far as I'm concerned, the best New Orleans music is found right here at Royal Street and Frenchmen Street, the intersection I consider ground zero for awesome music at night. And it's funny that I compared Greenwich Village to the French Quarter, because right across the street here, as we cross Royal and Frenchmen Street, we're coming to Washington Square, not to be confused with Washington Square Park in the Village. How funny is that? And just a heads up, if you visit Washington Square while we're here in the daytime, it's perfectly fine for families and kids to play on the playgrounds and stuff, but just be aware and a heads up that you are not in a tourist area, although it's becoming more and more touristy, but because you're in a local area, the cops don't patrol this as much, and if you're leaving the crowd on Frenchmen Street, you're pretty much on your own when you enter this park, so just a heads up. This is the Spotted Cat, one of the longest lines here on Frenchmen Street in the evening as far as getting into a club at night. And I'm not sure, but I think in the evening Frenchman video, I tried to turn on the New York charm to get into this place at night, and I don't remember if I did and if I got in, or I don't know. We'll have to check it out. Coming up on the left here, this gated area that's closed right now is a market for arts and crafts, and I think we're going to visit one later in this video, so check it out. They're all open at night, but I think this one is closed. There's only one open during the daytime. On the left here is a restaurant called Adolfo's, and it's an Italian Creole restaurant, and that's what you call extreme fusion if you ask me. Coming up on the left here is Dat Dogs. It's known for its hot dogs here on Frenchmen Street. Extreme hot dogs, crazy toppings, very popular. And coming up here is Favela Chic, which offers up pizza, buffalo wings, and Mexican. That pretty much covers everything as far as I'm concerned. And on the left here we have some residential apartments, and I think it takes a very special tenant to live directly on Frenchmen Street. You must really love music, nightlife, and crowds. I love music, so put me about 2 or 3 blocks off of Frenchmen Street and I'll be happy. These people are extremely special. This bicycle on the right is representing NOLA, New Orleans, Louisiana. And a shout out to Wise Malik, who found Cray Cray the Crawfish in my New Orleans Audubon Zoo video number 1, as well as Sheila Shindy, I hope I said that correctly, who found Cray Cray in my New Orleans Audubon Zoo video number 2. Great job, guys. Keep looking for that hidden mascot. And this here, my New Yorkers, is the music shop that I was talking about earlier in this video. It's called the Music Factory, one of the best music shops I've seen in ages. Let's go inside. So first of all, music shops and record stores are becoming something of the past with the streaming movement being so popular, and I'm a victim of that as well, I have to say. So walking into a place like this, first of all, it has air conditioning, thank you very much. It's really hot and humid outside. It reminds me, it's like a blast from the past. It reminds me when I was a child, when music stores had albums and cassettes and musical instruments and guitar strings and things like that, and they probably have lessons being taught as far as guitar and piano in the back. I have no idea, but I'm just assuming they do because that's what this kind of a place reminds me of. Notice under the racks are stacks and stacks of boxes of more vinyl and cassettes. Just tons of music in this place. You need to ask for some help if you're looking for something in particular, but if not, I could spend, I don't know, hours in a store like this. And of course, there's lots of musical merchandise here, like apparel, posters, magnets, bumper stickers. You get the point. I think next time I'm here, I'm just going to dedicate a suitcase for carry-on so I can take a lot of this stuff home after, of course, I paid for it. Hey, don't let the cat out no matter what it tells you. So I think we're heading down Decatur Street. I'm not sure. It gets kind of confusing in this area, but we're heading back into the French Quarter, I believe, along Decatur Street. And all these nightclubs you see on the right are really exploding with music at nighttime. So please, please make sure you check out that Frenchman Nighttime video that I have on this channel. So here we have a alleyway filled with arts and crafts along Frenchmen Street. There's several of them here, and most of them, or actually all of them, are open at night. This is the only one that's open during the daytime, and it's really a lot of cool stuff here, so check them out as we walk along here. And you know you're shopping local when half the stuff, or even more than half the stuff, would never make it on an airplane. And if you check out that Frenchmen Street at Night video, you'll see that all of these arts and crafts alleyways are lit up at night and heated as well. Alrighty, so at this point I think we're going to start heading west towards the French Quarter to get back to the French Quarter. As you're touring New Orleans and you're in the French Quarter area, Always look for those high tension wire towers. You see one on the left here on the above the buildings. They always run along the Mississippi, so you know which direction you're heading. And if you head towards the towers, you're heading towards the river, so you pretty much know where you're going. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.